Okay, so today topic is topo surface in massing and site. Okay, so suppose double click on the site. Okay, first level 1, level 2 not, just double click on the site, then go to the topo surface. Okay, topo surface. Now there have a elevation 0. Okay, 0 only means ground level. So suppose at place point, just click here, click here, click here. Okay, so now this is the topo surface, and now go to the elevation here, suppose 1000. Okay, so now, so that is the 1000, this one is 1000, and now suppose this one is 2000. Okay, 2000, so suppose this is the 2000. Okay, then here right, so now this one is finished. Okay, so suppose default 3D view, if you suppose rotate it, so now this one is 0, this one is 1000, and this one is 2000. Okay, so here just double click on the site. So after that, we create here building pad. Suppose building pad, just create here, suppose create a rectangle here. Okay, and then right, so now this one is isometric, and here go to realistic view. So now this one is realistic view, so now this one is become 0 level. Okay, don't click this one. Suppose when select this only rectangle, now click here and give here offset value. Maximum offset is here, I was put 2000, so now just give here 3000. So now this one is 3000, so that is the 3000 height. Okay, so that is the state level coming here. So now here we can put here, suppose this is the parking component. Okay, so that is the parking component you can put, so that is the parking component you can put as per your requirement. Okay, then you can choose here, suppose split surface. Okay, so just go to site here, and then here, that is the split surface. Suppose click here and create one line. So now this one is line and right, so now that is the split surface. This one is, these two are split. Okay, so here merge surface, just click here and click here. So now this one merge already. Okay, just opposite of split, that is merge. Then you can put here side component, so that is the side component. Just you can put here, just this one is tree, you can edit as per a requirement, that is the height of the tree. Okay, or you can load anything as per a requirement. Okay, so just click here and then right click, then isometric view. So now this one is isometric view, so tree is coming here. Okay, so that is the split surface and topo surface of Revit. Okay, so this one is the split surface. Now we can create another page. Suppose that is the page. Now this one is massing site. After massing site, this one is in place mass, curtain system, all the things. Okay, so for that reason we must create here level. So just go to the east level and then go to the architecture. Under architecture there have a level option. Okay, level. Now give the offset value. Suppose here 4000, enter. So now that is the first point and that is the second point. Okay, right click cancel, next, first point, then second point, right click cancel, first point, then second point. Okay, right click cancel. Okay, so that is the first point, second point. Okay, so now that is the main thing. Okay, so now go to the level 1 and then go to the massing and site. Okay, massing and site, then in place mass, go to the in place mass, then close it. You can put any name or keep it here mass 1. Okay, so now this one is mass 1, keep it here. Now we can create here, suppose one ellipse. Then go to the suppose level 4. Don't write here, don't finish, just double click on the level 4, and then we can create here another ellipse. Then also go to the level 7, then also create here another ellipse. Okay, and then finish. So now this one is finished. One warning is there, just omit it, and then go to the isometric view. Then just double click, just click here and press control, select two ellipse, and now select three ellipse at a time. Then create solid form. Okay, solid form, and then this one is finish mask. So now this one is created here. Okay, so suppose click here. Now after that we can create here mask floor. So that is the mask floor, just mask floor, and then choose here level 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then write it. So now this one is mask floor, flooring created here. Okay, then after that we can create here roof. In the massing side there have an option roof, just select here and here create roof. So now this one is create roof, all roof created here automatically. Okay, next here suppose choose wall, suppose click here. So now wall is created here. Next here curtain system, so just click here and create system. So now this one is curtain system created here. You just rotate it, that is the curtain system created here. Okay, suppose irregular shape building if you created, so now this massing site, through massing site you can create by model by face. Okay, so that is the main thing you can create. Okay, so all of you practice massing site, topo surface and massing site. Okay.